You're watching All Things Antonia. I hope you subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I am bringing you a spring candle haul, and these candles are from the Mainstays brand at Walmart. I have done a few of these candle hauls on my channel before. The first one that I did was a fall candle haul featuring the Mainstays candles from Walmart, and then I just did another one most recently for winter, and it was the winter candle haul featuring Mainstays candles. So we are now in spring, honey, and I'm excited about it, and so I thought it was time to do a spring candle haul. So I have my candles right here. I'm in a different setup. I am in my kitchen at my newly decorated dining room table. If you haven't seen that video, please go back and check it out. I will link it down below or above in the info card so you can easily access that. So yeah, I will go ahead and get started, but first, if you're new here, go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'll go ahead and mention that the Mainstays 3-wick candles at Walmart, they do retail for $3.33. So that is a really good deal, and you do get a good amount of product, and they do burn all the way down. So I just like to mention that from the beginning. So the first candle that I have here is called Pure Energy, and it just looks like this. I love this fuchsia color. It's so pretty. I don't think I've seen a candle from Mainstays that has that same color. And this smells so good. I wish they would include like the notes, like the fragrance notes on their labels, but they don't. So I try to do my best to describe the scent to you. And this one to me smells like almost like a fruity smell, but not completely a fruity smell. I don't even know what fruit to tell you it smells like. It's not like a tropical blend, but I don't know, like maybe a berry blend. It smells so good, and I wish I could do a better description for you guys. But I'm thinking this is something that would kind of like energize you if you need something like that. So definitely, if you're in Walmart, stop by and check this out. Okay, so the next candle that I have here is called Breathe, and it just looks like this. I love like the picture of the water with the sunset reflecting off of the water. Very beautiful, very pretty packaging. It does say here that it's an easy peel, so if you do want to peel the sticker off, you can do that, and it should come off easily. Now this one, it smells so good. It smells refreshing, like this should be in a spa. It smells very light and airy, almost like a fresh linen scent, but I'm also picking up a bit of a citrusy smell. I feel like it also has a bit of a citrusy smell to it. I really do like this, and you know, I'm kind of digging this color right here, this light blue color. Maybe like an ocean wave type smell with a bit of citrus in it. It's very light again, but that's perfect for springtime. I really like this one a lot, and I don't recall seeing this last year, so if you are in Walmart, definitely take a look at the Breathe candle. So the next candle that I have here, this is gonna be one of my favorites out of the entire haul. I'll go ahead and tell you right now. This is gonna be one of my favorites. This is the Coconut Lime candle, and the label just looks like that. So it's coconut lime. I do love this lime green color. I think it's very appropriate for spring. And it just smells exactly like what it says it is. It smells like coconut lime. It smells like a nice tropical drink or something. It smells so good. It honestly reminds me of like the coconut lime verbena spray from Bath and Body Works. That's what this smells like. And I used to have that spray, but I don't have, like, it was like an old one. I don't know if they still make it. They might, but that's exactly what this smells like. And I don't recall seeing this at Walmart last year, so I'm thinking this is gonna be one of their new fragrances. So yeah, I really like this one so much. I can't wait to burn it. I may actually just go ahead and burn it after this video today. Again, these are 3-wick candles, and they retail for $3.33. Okay, you guys, moving right along to the next candle that I have. This one is called Papaya Passion, and it looks like this. Beautiful tangerine orange kind of color as far as the wax. And it looks like a little cocktail drink right here. And the smell of it is just like a nice tropical fruity drink. Something perfect for summertime. It actually does smell like some papaya, mango, pineapple type of smell. So that's exactly what this smells like. I couldn't think of a better description. Papaya Passion is a perfect description of it. This is what the label looks like if you're interested. So, this one, I do not recall seeing it before, and this one is called Coral Blossom. The label looks like this. Super cute. I love the flowers. I'm kind of into floral right now for some reason. Let's see. This one is very different for me. This one kind of smells like, this is gonna be a weird description, but this to me smells like roses, and it smells like roses and cotton. Does that make sense to anybody else? It smells like roses and cotton. Like if you were to buy like a cotton candle, like a cotton fragrance candle, and like something like a rose fragrance candle, and burn them together, I would imagine that's what this smells like. And that's so weird, but I don't know why my mind automatically goes to rose and cotton. I don't know, but it's called Coral Blossom. I really like it. It has a nice light fragrance to it. So if you're not into floral, I wouldn't. It does have a bit of a floral smell, but you can definitely pick it up and smell it for yourself. It's very different. I don't recall seeing this one last year, but okay, and so for the last candle that I have for my haul today, this is called Aloe and Cactus. This smells really good. It's a very light fragrance, again, which is perfect for spring. But this just reminded me of like fresh water and lily, or fresh water and aloe, and it's just a very light, clean smell. I don't even know how to describe it to you, but this is really good also. This one and the coconut lime, I'm gonna have to go back to get like multiples of those, because those are gonna be my 2 favorites, I think, from this haul video. And this one is very light. I actually think it's probably the lightest fragrance of them all, but it's just a nice clean smell. This would be something good to burn like in your bathroom, just something that's gonna be light and airy. And I know I've used that description multiple times in this video, but I don't know, I really like it. And it's so different. I've never seen Mainstays do a candle like this, like a fragrance like this. It's so different. I'm trying to think if there's one like comparable that I could compare it. I'm trying to think if there's one that I could compare it to, as like maybe it's a dupe for something else, but nothing is coming to mind right now. So good job, Mainstays, on this candle. It's definitely very different. It's unique, and I like that. Okay, you guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. That's all the candles that I have for my spring candle haul featuring the Mainstays candles at Walmart. Let me know down in the comment section below which was your favorite. And I will also link down below in the description box the links to my previous Mainstays candle haul videos. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Be sure to thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.